In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a convincing shadow in Adobe Photoshop. This quick tip will help your images appear more realistic and lifelike. We all know how important shadows are in grounding objects within a scene, so creating them convincingly is an essential skill for any Photoshop user. Let's dive into the process. First, start by opening Adobe Photoshop. If you're not familiar with how to access Photoshop, it's part of Adobe's Creative Cloud suite, and you can find it by searching your installed programs or App Store if you haven't downloaded it already. Once in the program, you'll want to open the image to which you want to add a shadow. Simply go to File, then Open, and navigate to the image file of your choice. This step is crucial because selecting the right image with clear lighting direction will enhance the believability of your shadow. Next, let's get ready to create the shadow itself. Go to your toolbar and click on the brush tool. You might have to look for a small paintbrush icon if you haven't used it before. Once you've found it, make sure your foreground color is set to black. This is because shadows appear as darkened areas on the image, hence the need for black color. Adjust the brush size and hardness to suit the outline of the object casting the shadow. A softer brush can help blend the shadow better into the background for a natural look. Now, using the brush tool, paint along the area where the shadow should fall. Be careful to follow the natural light direction from the image to make the shadow appear realistic. If the light in your image comes from the left, your shadow should extend to the right, and so forth. It's about mimicry of the natural world and insight into how light interacts with objects. This painted shape is now what we will transform into our shadow. With your shadow shape painted, hold down the Control key and tap T on your keyboard. This action will open the free transform tool. Using this, you can move, stretch, or skew your shadow to line up accurately with the edges of the object you want the shadow to appear to be cast by. Pay attention to both shape and direction, and imagine how the shadow would look if the object were truly in the environment you're depicting. Finally, to seamlessly blend this new shadow with the rest of your image, you can adjust the opacity, blur the edges, or modify the layer settings until it appears just right. It might take some slight tweaking to get it perfect. Remember, the goal is a realistic shadow that looks naturally part of the image. And there you have it, a quick and simple way to add authenticity and depth to your photographs or digital art with shadows in Photoshop. Follow these steps, and soon you'll be enhancing every project with confidence. Enjoy creating.